Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can start making more money with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing a strategy that you can use to start earning more money with affiliate marketing and also grow your audience. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and if you're interested in my #1 recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income with affiliate marketing, you can check out the link in the top of the description. Okay, so in this video, I'm not going to be talking about the basics of affiliate marketing because I've done plenty of videos on that in the past. And if you want to learn what affiliate marketing is and how it works, I'm going to leave a link in the card somewhere so you can check it out if you want to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to actually be talking about how you can make more sales and reach your audience. So if you're struggling to make sales and generate leads with affiliate marketing, I'm going to be sharing a strategy that's going to help you out. So I first wanted to talk about the mentality that you should have if you're looking to grow a business with affiliate marketing. If you're just looking to make a quick buck and just spam your affiliate link wherever you can without taking the time to build your audience or create content, then you're going to be struggling when it comes to making sales. If you're just trying to spam your affiliate link on any platform that you can, then you're going to really struggle, because people just don't click on random links and go buy products. They need to be able to trust that link and also the platform that they're on. And a great way for people to trust those links is to create content that's delivering value. So I want you guys to think about it like this. This right here is your target audience or your customer. So they're over here, and this is the affiliate product that you're promoting. So this product is going to help benefit this person. So what you need to do is figure out what pain point that this person is having and get them over here where they're going to be. You have to get them from this state that they're currently in to this state where they want to be. So it doesn't matter what niche that you're in. This method applies to any niche. Whether you're in the weight loss niche, you're in the make money online niche, you're in the tech niche, the relationship niche. You should know what pain point that your target audience is having and offer a solution to that problem. So as I just mentioned, you should be focusing on a pain point that this person right here is having. So let's say, for example, you're in the weight loss niche and this person right here is overweight. So I'm gonna draw like a little circle that shows that they're overweight. So they're in this current state where they're overweight, and you know that this product right here, which is a weight loss supplement, is gonna help them out by losing weight. So how do you get this person from here to here? You have to create content that is gonna deliver value to this person right here. It has to be obviously related to the niche that you're in. You should be creating content that's talking about weight loss or fitness if this person is struggling to lose weight. Now, when it comes to creating content, you can upload YouTube videos, you can have your own blog site, you can post articles, you can make posts on Facebook or Instagram that's gonna be delivering value. And this content should be addressing their pain point that they're having. So for example, if you're doing YouTube videos, you can have a video where you're talking about healthy cooking recipes that's gonna help somebody lose weight, or another video where you're talking about 5 everyday habits to promote weight loss. The person who is struggling with weight loss is gonna recognize the value in those videos because you're addressing a problem that they're having. And when you're creating content, you should let your target audience know that, hey, I have a solution to your problem right here, which is this. This is gonna benefit you when it comes to your struggle with weight loss. So when you're creating content that's focusing on your target audience and it's addressing the problem that they're having, over time, you're gonna start to grow your audience and they're gonna start to build trust with you. And when they start to build trust with you, they're more likely to buy from you. And all you have to do when promoting your product in your content that you're creating is just by simply giving them a call to action. So as I mentioned, for the example of this video, we're talking about you created a couple of YouTube videos where you're talking about weight loss and habits that you can do to promote weight loss. At the end of your videos, you can just simply give them a call to action by saying, if you enjoyed these tips and you're serious and ready to start the solution for your problem, which is losing weight and living a healthier lifestyle, then click this link right here. And then you just have a link that's gonna take them to a sales page or the product page for the affiliate product that you're promoting. And when you start to use this strategy, you're gonna start to see the results when it comes to getting more sales with affiliate marketing. Now, I'm not saying that the results are gonna come overnight, because it takes time for you to build trust among your audience. But if you're consistent when it comes to creating content where you're focusing on a problem that your target audience is having and you're providing a solution to that, you're gonna start to get more sales. And that's how you start to make more money with affiliate marketing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this strategy. And if you want to see more videos like this, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. I hope you guys got some value from this quick video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.